Hello everyone, in the previous video we saw the implementation part of stock market prediction. Now in this video I will explain how to resolve overfitting problem in neural network. One thing we have to understand that when we have a very deep neural network, at that time we have a many weight and bias parameter. When we have a large number of bias and weight parameter, it can't have a underfitting issue. However, may have a overfitting issue. We can see in a Jupyter notebook we add a dropout layer and the dropout ratio is in between 0 to 1. We can see in this image dropout ratio is the percentage of total number of neurons we want to randomly deactivate that reduce the weight and bias parameter. It eliminates overfitting problem. If we add more hidden layer in neural network, then we can also increase the dropout ratio. To know the exact value of dropout ratio, we will use hyperparameter optimization approach. In next video, I will explain hyperparameter optimization approach.